Looking for a reliable crimping tool that makes network installation and repair effortless? Our multi-purpose RJ45 crimper is designed to streamline your work, whether you're setting up a local area network at home or fixing cables in the office. It lets you strip wires easily and trim excess without hassle, saving you time and frustration. What sets this tool apart is how fast and precise it is. It cleanly cuts wires and crimps connectors evenly, so you avoid those frustrating loose or uneven plugs that won't fit properly into your router or landline phone. With this tool, every connection is solid and professional looking. Using it couldn't be simpler. The RJ11, RJ45 crimper requires minimal force to secure wiring for LAN or telephone lines. It's perfect for IT technicians, field engineers, or anyone who needs a dependable tool that works smoothly without tiring your hands. You get consistent results with less effort. Durability matters when you rely on a tool daily. Crafted from sturdy steel, this crimper is built to last through years of heavy-duty use. The firm action ensures you maintain control during every cut, strip, and crimp, making it a staple in any professional toolkit. The kit doesn't stop at the tool itself. You'll also receive 50 pieces of mixed-color Cat 6 pass-through connectors, 50 strain relief boots in assorted colors, plus extra replacement blades. Everything you need to get started right away and keep going without interruption. One satisfied customer from the United States shared how they were hesitant at first but quickly impressed by how easy and effective the crimper was. That kind of feedback speaks volumes about the quality and user-friendliness of this tool. If you're ready to upgrade your network setup process with a tool that delivers precision, durability, and convenience, this RJ45 crimping tool kit is worth a look. It helps you get the job done right the first time, every time. Try it when you're ready to experience a smoother, faster way to handle your cable installations and repairs. This tool makes a noticeable difference. No more struggling with uneven connectors or flimsy equipment.